fact, he was the first man, Prime Minister, to buy a block of land off me after I...
Ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It's a great pleasure to be with you tonight for my first official event of the year. As you know, it hasn't been a great start for the year on a personal level, as we have mourned the loss of two sons of Fiji. Sandeep Patel, one of Fiji's most astute and ethical businessmen, and of course Manasa Vaningi, my right-hand man in the sugar industry. In their different ways, both of these men made great contributions to our beloved nation, and their passing is a great loss to Fiji. They will be missed, of course, but as we start the new year, we should focus on celebrating their lives and legacies by continuing with the work that was important to them both, making Fiji a better place. As a nation, I know we are all committed to capitalizing on the monumental progress achieved in the past few years. So while the new year has been marked by some sadness, I'm very happy to see that it is also marked by a great sense of optimism. Together we are ready to build on our education revolution. We are ready to build on the improvements in our infrastructure, such as roads, electricity and water. And we are ready to build on the advantage of a vastly improved economy, growing by more than 4% a year. As I said in my New Year's address, 2015 is to be the year of consolidation. It will be about putting the proper structures to carry us forward as a nation, to achieve our vision of transforming Fiji into a modern nation state, preeminent in the Pacific region. The proper structures in our economy to maintain our unprecedented growth rates, the proper infrastructure to support this growth and keep trade flowing, and of course, the proper restructuring of the civil service to make it more efficient and give the Fijian people the standard of service they deserve. Of course, our program for the new year includes continued and sustained efforts in the North. The Look North policy continues to be one of my government's top priorities, and it's for this reason that I wanted my first official tour of the new year to be here on Taveuni, and to show the Fijians living here that we mean it when we say we are government for all Fijians, no matter who they are or where they come from. To show them that we understand that to govern effectively, we have to travel beyond the boundaries of Suba as often as possible to meet with ordinary people, to hear their concerns, and of course to deliver our services. Indeed, following this philosophy, we've been able to carry out unprecedented amount of development over the past few years here on Fiji's Garden Island in the fields of hydropower and education, infrastructure, correction services, agriculture. Of course, I forgot to mention the presence this evening of the Minister for Agriculture, Minister Inia Siriratu, and water, to name just a few. And we have no intentions of slowing down. We have a vision to transform the North, to extend to the people of Taveuni and Voreqe the same level of services Fijians enjoy on Viti level. We believe that every Fijian, no matter where they live, not only deserves the same access to such things as electricity, water, education, health and telecommunication, it is their right. In the coming days, we are opening a number of new facilities that will improve the lives of the people living here in Taveuni. But tonight we are gathered to celebrate the official opening of the Taveuni Dive Resort on Taveuni Estates. This investment of $2 million signals not only an enormous vote of confidence in our tourist industry, but also for the Fijian economy. And it is a testament to the great general confidence that my government has instilled in the business community with the reform program over the past 8 years. Our economy grew by 4.6% in 2013. We are expecting a similar performance this year. While we are keen to attract foreign investment as well, it's always a particular pleasure for me as your Prime Minister to see developments driven by local investors. They're putting their money back into Fiji and helping their fellow Fijians in the process. Many of the jobs being created are jobs for ordinary people, people whose earnings filter back into the communities and of course strengthen the general economic base. I'm also very pleased to see the diving industry in Fiji developing so quickly. This resort is the latest in that exciting story. Completed in November, this facility was designed with the needs of divers in mind, to take advantage of the spectacular diving available off the coast of this island. I'm told the enthusiasts come from all over the world to visit Fiji's world-famous rainbow reef along. So here is a good example of entrepreneurs reaching to the demands of the market and capitalizing on them. This strikes at the heart of an important point, as has been mentioned, that in order to achieve our goal of attracting more visitors to our shores, we need to expand the range of activities and specialized vacation packages we offer, whether it's diving, golfing, yachting, surfing, fishing, trekking, or anything else. Diversity and quality are keys to success. The more we can provide, the more Fiji as a whole will benefit, and the closer we will come to reaching our goal of 1 million tourist arrivals a year. Before concluding my brief remarks this evening, I'd like to also point out that the construction and operation of this resort has been planned with the principles of sustainable development in mind. This sets a fine example for other developers. As a small island nation, we cannot raise the alarm about the threat of climate change on one hand, while ignoring such principles in our national development on the other hand. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, it's my pleasure to officially open the Taveuni Dive Resort and to wish it every success in its future operations. And I thank you.